Start.
Here we go. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th of July 2026. Here we go. Does it work? All right, here we go. All right, back up.
Back up, Terry.
Ready? Go. All right. Purple rain. Here we go.
Is that Purple Rain?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. Never asked you that, but this is this time of year. This video can go to YouTube.
Yeah.
It's gonna go on YouTube. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Perfect. Go ahead. All right, go
All
ahead.
right.
All right, go ahead. Ready? Go. Light it. Go.
Back up.
All right, gotta stay back. I want to get me.
Yeah. Happy 4th of July.
It's like the 6th year doing this. Fireworks. Oh my God.
Yep.
Got your lighter and light it. Oh my God, it stinks. It smells like firework. All right, you ready? Oh boy. Where's the fuse? Oh, there we go.
There it goes.
All right, go. Go for it. Oh,
Little Red Devil. Here we go.
got bounced. I gotta stay back. I don't want to get hit.
Stay back.
Make sure I got it back up. Oh, look at that red. Look at that. That was smart.
Look at that.
Lay down. Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Okay. Wow, that's good. That's good enough. That's good enough. Oh, boy. Is that done?
Really?
Oh, done? Really? That's it? Wow. All right, here we go. Now go backwards. Let me back up, dude. It's gonna be. I don't want to get hit. Okay? Let me stay back. Like, let me go towards the street, towards the road. Towards the street. Is the lighter working? Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go.
There it goes. Yeah. Stay back. Oh my God.
Wait.
Back up.
All right, back up. Here we go. Me and my brother.
Here we go.
Look at all the colors.
Look at all this.
Wow, yeah. Me and my brothers are watching fireworks tonight. Me and my brother are having a good night. Look at the light. Look at that white flag. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's bright, too.
Sit. Sit.
Let it light up. Look at this. Whoa, look at that. Wow, look at this. Whoa! Oh, it's pink, too. It's like the other one. Look at that fountain. Hold on. Look at that fountain.
Yeah.
Smells bad out here. Ugh. It really stinks. Just rotten eggs.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh God. Oh God. Yeah.
Do another one.
How about another Piccolo P?
Oh, God damn it. Oh my God, smoke.
There goes another Piccolo P.
What the? Whoa! Oh shit, that's loud. Oh my God, that was a good one.
Oh, we make a lot of smoke.
Yeah.
Let's do some other fireworks. Do another tiny.
Okay.
How about a Little Red Devil up next? A big fireworks show out there.
On our driveway on 2019? Oh, that was-
Back up. Back up.
I got Terry. Hold on.
Back up, Terry.
There you go. Let it light up. Let it light up more.
Hold on, it's gonna do it's a double crackles.
I gotta stay back to that. Yep. I gotta keep it on the track. Track it there. Oh, that's not right.
Yeah!
Kind of scary.
Yeah, smoke. Smoked up the garage a little bit.
I heard some fireworks down the road from us, I guess. When I'm in bed, I can hear them. I can hear the loud banging.
Back up.
Alright.
Back up.
Stay back. Go! Now go again. Same with the other one. Oh, it's slow crackle. Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, that crackle's getting in the camera. Oh my.
Right? But too bad Mom wasn't home this year, huh, Parker?
Back up.
Alright, here.
Back up.
Alright, overrated, another one. Might be last one. Like two of them. Overrated, this time.
We might get even more. We might get more fireworks next year. Patty and Shannon might come to us next year.
Oh, really? I don't know if I was 27. Remember last year?
Let's do another orchid.
Alright. We had a good dinner.
Back up.
Alright, here we go.
Back up.
Back up. Back up.
Yeah.
Is that it? As long as it's crackle, that's it.
Neon fours.
I think this might be for that one. Or do another one, I guess. Alright, here we go. Alright, go.
Back
Here we
up.
go. I gotta back up for this now. I wanna get hit by fire, okay? Whoa! Ooh. I'm seeing green, purple, and pink, and orange. Is this from TNT Fireworks, Parker?
Yeah, they're from TNT.
Fireworks. From TNT. Oh, that one's got it. Sure. I don't wanna get my fire. Oh, it's purple too. Look at all the colors. The fountain. So good. But now it's dark now. There you go. You know how to
This will good up. This will put up a good performance. Yeah. Ted Nugent on my record player.
Alright, here we go. Not a lot of whistles, but we'll see. Where's the fuse? Oh yeah, back up.
Disco Piccolo Pete.
Yep, don't blow it. Oh, they blow it nice.
Yeah.
That was a good one. What should we do first?
Let's do roar first and then stop.
Alright.
First roar and then stop.
Alright, go ahead.
First roar and then stop.
Alright, go ahead. Do it.
First roar, then stop.
My brother's flying fireworks tonight, huh? My brother. Whoa, looks like it's just like purple rain, like
Yeah.
that. Purple. It's just purple too. Okay, it's just like purple rain. It's just like the fireworks you just lit. Yeah, it was loud. That's like purple rain, just like that. There's more fireworks. I heard some people. How much that, Parker? Parker.
Stop.
Oh, stop. Yep. Stop fireworks next. Oh, there goes the light now. Some crackle.
Some crackle. Getting out of my nerves.
Whoa! Did you hear that pop?
To hear that crackle.
We'll walk back for this stuff. Alright. Are we gonna light one more thing? No,
Piccolo
not
Pete.
one. Come on.
All right, back up.
They blew well. Oh, nice. There's also crackle down the road from us. Two people also shooting their fireworks off.
One more Piccolo Pete.
Yep, one more. Last one. Whoa, a blue whistle. Yep. Oh, I got smoke on my face now.
I smoked up.
Firework, Parker.
The Toxic Barrel Fountain.
That's new, right? In TNT? Alright, let's light this one.
Toxic Barrel Fountain. Here we go.
Alright, back up. One more firework after this. Oh, light the flame. From my phone. Fireworks. So I'm not watching that. Oh, I can smell. Okay. Oh. More green. Smells really bad. Whoa! Fireworks, grand finale. There's some people still going to fireworks, but they'll be done by midnight.
Back up.
Alright, one more firework. Here we go. One more. Oh, that's good.
Look at all that. Sprinkles.
Fireworks at our house. So you can hear it. From my place. We're here at our house right now. It started in this guy right now. The box is over about a little bit ago. And it started in this guy.
Look at all the crackle.
That's it.
Happy 4th of July.
It's over.
Yeah.